What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech and more reviews. And if you would like an extra layer of protection for that iPad, look no further. This is the Moft Snap, and it's gonna add a little extra protection to that iPad. So let's talk about it. So this is the Moft Snap. Very thin piece of material that's basically gonna protect your device all the way around. So what do I mean by protection? Now, when you normally have your iPad in your Magic Keyboard, all of your sides are exposed, right? Exposure, exposure, exposure. So with the Moft Snap, what it does is it is going to give you an extra layer of protection, top, bottom, as well as side, and for your Apple Pencil. Now, it does still have the 3-pin connector right there available so that your iPad doesn't lose any touch with your Magic Keyboard. All you do is snap this around, and we're just going to pop it in just like so. It's going to go around one edge, two edge, three edge, and boom. It snaps up onto the Magic Keyboard just like so. When you close it down, you still got protection here, here, and here. You also get protection for the pencil. So now the pencil's not gonna jump out. And if you walk past like a wall, a door, or anything, you don't have to worry about it getting knocked off. So we like that component a lot. It does have buttons right here on the side. Buttons, nice and tactile for your volume. And up top is no button. So everything up top is wide open like that. And down bottom, everything lines up as well. Everything is good to go. Now, when you put this down, just like so, you want to use this, you will now just look down at it and unlock it, and it is good to go. Pencil has an actual indent right there, so you can stick that finger up, knock that Apple Pencil out. You still get charging on the go, you get protection on the go. Very slim, very portable. The only marking that you do have on here is the Moft logo right up top. That's all you're gonna have as far as marking, and still got the 3-pin connector. So big shout out to Moft for coming up with this device. We've seen it on a couple of other companies before, but this model is for the M1 12.9. You can pick this up for about 50, 60 bucks. I'm gonna be sure and drop a link below. Sometimes they do go on sale, but just go by and check them out. It actually looks pretty good with the Magic Keyboard in white, but it looks even better with the space gray Magic Keyboard just because it matches. But one of the best features I like about it is that you can basically just take this off and then you're good. You can use this as a case. You can put it with the Magic Keyboard and make a pairing. I don't see anything else wrong with it. I'm gonna drop a link below. Go by and check it out. But until next time, hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Once again, this is the Moft Snap. Snap meaning it snaps on. And you can go by and check it out on their website. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.